What is your passion? Is it your children? Then make kid videos. Do you love to cook? Make an enticing cooking channel replete with recipes. Perhaps fitness is your thing. If so, make fitness videos without filming anything? Seems kinda odd, right? There are several ways to crack an egg, as they say, and this, in description below, is the easiest way make money on YouTube. Oddly, you don't even have to film the videos, making this as easy as A, B, C. We have the recipe that potentially could make you $1 million a year, like so many other YouTube channels. Enjoy monthly payments from YouTube. Make money from YouTube with no marketing, no filming and no website. Choose from millions of done-for-you videos and make them yours. Start making money, with no experience or any technical knowledge whatsoever, immediately. Receive regular payments by check or wire transfer direct to your bank account. How to access between 5 and 25 million YouTube videos for free, no copyright problems and nothing to pay, ever. Closing parenthesis dot. How to make money: one very video, paid direct into your bank account every month, like clockwork. Clever ways to repurpose these videos for your own use. Yes, it's completely legal and entirely within YouTube's TOS. They even provide a built-in video editor. How you save countless hours creating your own videos, because you simply don't have to do any of that. The awesome power of the YouTube editing suite, plus the little-known trick to have YouTube make videos for you, using your own still photos. How to access thousands of hours of free music, no royalties, no copyright issues, no hassle. The street-wise way to get good keyword ideas. When not to use the free music facility on YouTube, don't miss this, because it will avoid you losing money. Reverse engineering one of my top-ranking videos. Watch over my shoulder as I show you the various reasons why this video is ranked so high, having already received 543,271 views and counting. What's in a title? In a word, everything. So I'll show you the simple, yet highly effective, way to craft the perfect eyeball-grabbing title that also gets you high up in the search results. How to get your video on the first page of the searches. All it takes is this 3-second trick. The fatal errors people make with their video descriptions and how you won't make them anymore once you know the secrets. It's time to make a change and create $10,000 per month or more with something you are passionate about.